I'm not trying to scam anybody here.
Well, hey there, and welcome back to Dudecraft. Today on Dudecraft, we're going to be tackling a RAM upgrade for my HP 14 laptop. I'll be playing my own tech support today, and I'm going to walk you through how I'm going to do it. Alright, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to hold the power button for 15 seconds. Alright, I did that to dispel any latent energy that's in it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here, we're going to flip it upside down, and if you can see, we have 4 visible screws, but I know that HP is a bunch of sadistic bastards, and they're hiding screws underneath these rubber feet. So what we're going to have to do here is we're going to have to peel these up. Alright, so we got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws we got to take out. So let's go ahead and do that. Screws are out. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to open this bad boy up a little bit. Going to grab my handy dandy putty knife, and I'm going to just gently insert and slide to try to release the plastic clips in here. Now the longest part of this process is getting off the back cover. Alright, so we're going to close that back up. I'm going to now take off the back cover here. There we go. Now I'm going to stop, and I'm going to take a picture because I like to remember where I put things. Alright, next step is taking out the battery. I'm going to take out the battery. You have the white little triangles here, which tell you where it's connected. So we're going to start from the top and work our way down. Alright, we're going to lift the battery out carefully. Slide. There we go. Alright, next step in the process. These 2 little silver clips right here spring outward, and the RAM pops up. Alright, next step is we're going to take it out at the same angle it's at. Alright, now we've got the new RAM. We're going to take it and we're going to put it back in at about the same 30-degree angle. There we go. It's in. It's in. And then we're going to press down. There we go. Alright, and we're back. The GoPro overheated again, so we had to wait for it to cool down. But now let's go ahead and put the battery back in. Put it right here. Line it up. And alright, let's go ahead and put the screws back in. Battery in. Now we put the cover on. Screws are in. I'm not going to put the rubber feet back on just yet. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to power it on and make sure that everything is copacetic before I put the feet back in place, just in case I have to open it again. When I open this and power it on, It might take a few extra minutes as it tries to recognize the new RAM. Go up here to System. Boom. Installed 8 gigabytes of RAM. Well, I hope you guys had fun, enjoyed yourselves, learned something, and thanks for joining us today. As always, dude abides, so do I. I'll catch you next trip. Peace!
Yeah, well, the dude abides.